Hello plumbing fans, it's Eddie Phillips here with another one of my tips and tricks of the plumbing trade. Today's tip number 25 involves the wrapping of 1/2-inch Teflon tape on brass ferrules to insure against future leaks. Now take your 3/8 chrome lath supply and of course put the brass nut on first, followed by the ferrule. Then take your Teflon tape using both thumbs and both index fingers. It takes a little coordination. Start to wrap the 1/2-inch Teflon tape around the ferrule with the ferrule positioned approximately where it's going to be in the stop, which is about 1/4 inch from the ferrule. And as you can see, twist it about 2 or 3 times, snap it off at the end, and you've got the perfect addition to a light film of pipe dope to keep that stop from leaking forever.